Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kent Hungerford and I'd like to welcome you to Health Masters, brought to you by My Health Education, part of the Relieve Health Group. I'm here to start showing you through a little bit more about our website and the courses and different things that are available, but in particular, Health Masters, a free online CPD or professional development platform ready to provide to you whatever you're looking for. Now, myself and our co-founder, Dave Morris, who is an organisational neuroscientist, has put together, we've put together a really large amount of resources from one of our previous conventions, as well as from some of the different courses that we've already been undertaking and the clinical applications cases that we've already been doing as well. But I want this to bring together our whole health community, whether you're a podiatrist, a physiotherapist, an osteopath, a chiropractor, a medical professional in GP land or beyond into our surgeries. I want this to become something that we can all start looking at and saying, okay, what are we looking at here and how can we get the most for our patients? But let's start taking a little bit of a look, because potentially you're here having already signed up for Health Masters and you're wondering how to use it. Let's take a bit of a look at some of our courses and how we can start to navigate the system. Right here on myhealtheducation.com.au. But to go through to our courses, we do go through to our courses tab up the top here, which is going to take us through to our hosting site. At the moment, that's through Kajabi. It's an online platform that allows us to be able to get this content to you as easily and quickly as possible. Now, as we start flicking through, you can see one of our seminars is there, and this is going to take us through a few different things. But we've got our seminars and we've got our Health Masters there. And if that hasn't already been signed up to, this is exactly where you can click onto it. You can see our shockwave therapies there, our integrating pain theory into patient management. And so these are some of our other courses that are available. But in the meantime, if you've already signed up, go through to My Library. And this is where you're going to see the courses that you have signed up to. Now, of course, I've been doing quite a few different things here, and so I'm going to flick through some of these until we can get a bit of a better idea of what we're looking at. And here we go with Health Masters getting our hands on. This is going to be our practical component to Health Masters. And this is where I'm going to put some of our gems, which we're going to be adding to every month as well. So as we start to fly through, we can start to see, okay, well, we've got 24 lessons there at the moment. And starting off with some advanced clinical care with our pain specialists, and our vascular surgery and surgeons there. Got a few different patient resources that I've put together, and we've got a book on the way at the moment, which is really exciting, which should be for all professions, covering everything from conditions to treatments. So we're really excited. Some of our interventional side of things, whether it's foot surgery and injection therapies, through to post-operative management, and some running assessments by our physiotherapist, and some point-of-care ultrasound by one of our sonographers as well. So some really exciting things there. Let's take a step back now and look at one of our other components, business and leadership. Within our business and leadership aspect of Health Masters, we've got Johnny Cash and Dave Morris there, really big thought leaders in this realm that have got incredible CVs to push that way as well. But we've also got other ones, because leadership isn't just about being the business owner or the practice manager. So, it's about being able to communicate with our patients. And so we've also got our psychologist on here in managing difficult disclosures, but also one of our podiatric surgeons in Dr. Nick Studdert in enhancing clinical performance through non-technical skills. But then we start getting into some leadership and some business building ideas, growing your private practice. And down the bottom, of course, we'd love some more feedback on where to go from here as well. Now, one of the other important aspects is case conferencing. Now, this is provided to everyone as well, totally free. And so what we're wanting to look at here is building out, some more information. And so, upcoming sessions are going to be available, and we'd really like to start seeing more people jump onto those as well, as we build our community. Now, of course, there's going to be a few different other things there, and we've got our Health Masters Q&A, that's going to be monthly. So we look forward to seeing you on one of those, and you can, again, view that course, jump straight into it and see when the next live session is going to be. You case you've got any questions about any of the courses that we've got here, whether it's integrating pain theory into patient management, whether it's our photobiomodulation therapy or injection therapies training, our shockwave therapies training, with Dr. Adam Gavin, another great option there that we're really excited to start sharing with you. But for the moment, I'm Dr. Ken Hungerford. This has been Health Masters by My Health Education, part of the Relieve Health Group, and we'll see you on the next session. Cheers.